Welcome. In front of me I have the Honor 200 Smart, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. Assuming you can find it. There we go. So it looks like it's in the Tools folder. Once you open it up, we want to click right here on these three dots and select Settings, and in here we're going to choose Import Export and select that you want to import from SIM. This will in turn show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and you can quickly select all of them by clicking on this box right over here. Maybe you want most of them, you can obviously deselect ones that you don't want, and then select Import. This will give you a window where you can import to, so I have a phone as an option and Google account. Choose whichever one you want, and once you select it, it automatically imports the contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should have them visible somewhere in here. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.